Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing live sports app to your Firestick or Android TV, which is really easy to set up. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to the Firestick. And you can get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on the Firestick and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your Firestick. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now to actually set up downloader, we'll go to the settings, click on that little button with a gear icon, then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we'll go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it up. And now there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you would just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open it up and finally head straight into downloader. So let's open up downloader. And now what you will have to do in your downloader application is open that search bar right here and start typing in the link. So the link will be redboxtv.bz. So we will enter that link together. Once again, it is redboxtv.bz. So here's a link. You can see it on your screen right now. Just make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And then when this website opens, you have to click on download for Android. So we click on it, and now the download of the app will start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you will click install and just make sure that the app gets fully installed to your Firestick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of all the unnecessary files and save yourself some free space on your device. And then we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV. Here it is, let's open it. And there at the bottom you will find this new app which we just installed. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app. And now from here you get access to hundreds of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.